All right, I'm going to remove the, I believe it's this steering column body support that holds the column and the brakes and the clutch. So here are these two arm braces here that you remove. Already loosened everything up. These come out. So, and then I'll label those for right side and this other side here. So, and once you get this nut off, this rod is not going to come all the way off. There is a clip here. Holds that in place. So we have to get that clip off. All right, so the you get the clip off. It's not as a clip; it kind of screws on. So you get some pliers and something. Grab the edge of the clip, and it literally just unscrews. I need two hands. Hang on. All right, once you get mostly free, you can just unscrew with your hand. So. This whole thing will drop down. Loosened it on the firewall, so at the firewall side. You get the two nuts, one here and one here, which are just below the master cylinder bolts that hold on the brakes, and so the two nuts are just below that, here and here. So we'll finish. I'll support the inside; those will fall down on me, and then I'll take those two nuts off. All right, so I got the two nuts off. So you got a nut and a lock washer, nut and lock washer. They're down here. It's here and here on the inside. I just put this in here to hold it, keep it from falling on me. And that assembly should just drop down and come out like so. So there we go. And that makes the dash panel, this corner here, loose. So make sure that doesn't bend any further when you're doing any working on the car. There's a nut here that holds that. I don't know where that is and why that's not bolted. Right there. I wonder where that is. I don't know. Either way, so now I can really get in here and get some good cleaning done. Underneath the dash, underneath the cowl here. Man, looks really good. A little bit of rust here. Not too bad. All right. On my way, and then I may just leave that for now. Take it off later. Let's take a look at this brake and clutch unit. So I could probably use maybe some new bushings. Brake light switch. So just clean it up. That's another side project of many other side projects. So we'll put that aside. And that's it.